Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable 120Hz refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display. From here, just scroll down and tap on motion smoothness. Now from here, instead of standard, just select high. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now once you do that, you will change the refresh rate of the screen from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. And this is how you can enable 120 Hz on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.